Are you looking for the best battery metal detectors? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best battery metal detectors on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. OMMO Adjustable Kids Metal Detector. The OMMO Kids Metal Detector is designed to make treasure hunting fun and easy for children. If it doesn't respond when you turn it on, simply place the search coil in an open space and switch it on again to reset the detector, ensuring smooth use. The playful puppy and bones animation on the LCD screen adds excitement to your child's exploration, making every find more enjoyable. You can discover coins and other treasures buried up to 4 inches deep by sweeping the lightweight coil slowly and keeping it level. Plus, the adjustable stem lets you set the perfect height for your child, making it comfortable for kids of different sizes to use. What we like: easy to use, adjustable handle height, good value for money, lightweight and portable, fun for kids. Number 2. Goganova Kids Waterproof Metal Detector. The Goganova Kids Detector is designed for treasure hunting enthusiasts of all ages. Its 2 operational modes, all metal and disc mode, help you easily locate various types of metals while allowing you to ignore unwanted ones. The adjustable stem accommodates users from 39.3 to 51.3 inches, making it perfect for both kids and adults. With a user-friendly LCD display, you'll find it easy to navigate settings even in low light. Plus, the waterproof search coil lets you explore underwater, enhancing your outdoor adventures. What we like: easy to use, great for children, good price, effective detection, fun for families. Number 3. Sunpow OTMD12 Metal Detector Pinpointer. The Sunpow Pinpointer wand is designed for efficient metal detection, featuring 360-degree scanning and a 3.5-inch depth capability to help you locate metals with precision. Its user-friendly design allows you to operate it easily with a single button, while sound and vibration alerts guide you straight to your target. The wand is lightweight and portable, making it perfect for on-the-go adventures. Additionally, its IP68 waterproof rating means you can explore various environments, from beaches to grassy fields, without worry. What we like: 360 degrees detection capability, user-friendly operation, lightweight and portable, waterproof design. Number 4. Sunpow NXGD02 Rechargeable Metal Detector Pinpointer. The Sunpow Metal Detector Pinpointer is an ideal tool for anyone who loves treasure hunting. It comes with a powerful 800 mAh rechargeable battery that can last up to 15 hours, so you can enjoy long outdoor sessions without worrying about running out of power. The device is fully waterproof up to 10 feet, making it perfect for use in rivers, beaches, or wetlands, and its shock-resistant design ensures it can handle rough conditions. With high sensitivity, it detects metal objects up to 6 inches away, and its simple one-button operation makes it easy for beginners and kids to use. This pinpointer offers convenience and reliability for all your metal detecting adventures. What we like: long battery life, rechargeable design, waterproof up to 10 feet, shock-resistant build, high sensitivity detection. Number 5. Gbnryg Waterproof Metal Detector. The Gbnryg metal detector is designed for both beginners and experienced users, making treasure hunting enjoyable for everyone. Its high-precision detection system covers a larger area quickly, ensuring you won't miss any targets. With 5 different detection modes, you can easily find various metals, from coins to jewelry, without getting distracted by unwanted items. The user-friendly design features a larger backlit display and comfortable controls, making it easy to operate with one hand. Plus, the included treasure hunting kit equips you with everything you need for successful outdoor adventures. What we like: high-precision detection, 5 versatile modes, user-friendly design, complete treasure hunting kit.